I made Crunch Bars healthy and with just 2 ingredients. I'm so excited to share these with you. They're dairy-free, high in protein, and low in added sugars with a refined sugar-free option. So much healthier than store-bought with 11 grams of fiber and 8 grams of protein per serving, and they're so easy to make. To keep these healthy, look for chocolate that has a high cocoa or cacao content like 72% or higher. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants and other minerals that it has lots of health benefits, and the greater the amount of cocoa in your chocolate, the greater the benefits and the less sugar. First up, we need chocolate. Chocolate bars or chocolate chips will work. For this recipe, I'm using these dairy-free, coconut sugar sweetened 72% cacao chocolate chips, so they're refined sugar-free. Prepare your chocolate molds or parchment-lined pan. Then measure out 7 ounces, which is about 1.5 cups of chocolate chips or finely chopped chocolate. Melt the chocolate. I'm using the microwave, heating in a microwave safe bowl in 30-second intervals at 60% power, stirring between bursts. If you don't heat at full power, the first burst might seem like nothing happened, but go ahead and mix the chocolate anyway to disperse the heat. Once your chocolate is about 50% melted, stop heating and mix vigorously until smooth. This prevents burning and helps your chocolate set at room temperature. After stirring, if all the chocolate isn't melted, go ahead and microwave for another 3 seconds, stirring again vigorously. Heating low and slow and stirring a lot in between and stopping before fully melted will make sure that you don't burn your chocolate and may even result in having tempered chocolate without even using a thermometer. Tempering keeps the bars from melting easily in your hands, making them perfect for on-the-go snacking. Instead of using Rice Krispies, which have lots of sugar and other additives, we're using these Pea Protein Crisps instead. They're light, crispy, and nutritious with a satisfying bite and 36 grams of protein per cup, 0 refined sugars. If you haven't seen these before, they're available online, and I'll link to them in the description below. Pour the crisps into the melted chocolate and mix to combine. I'm using 1 cup or 60 grams of pea protein crisps. This gives the perfect crisp to chocolate ratio, I think, making each bite crunchy and satisfying, but you can adjust the ratio based on your preferences. Use more chocolate for a richer taste or more chips for extra crunch and protein. Once everything is mixed, spoon the mixture into your molds or spread it on a parchment-lined tray to make a bark. I use a large chocolate bar mold and a mini chocolate bar mold. I'll link to those as well. Tap the molds down to help the chocolate settle into the molds. If you like, for an extra touch, sprinkle with some flaky sea salt on top before the chocolate sets. It really brings out the flavor of the chocolate. I like it, but it could be an acquired taste. Alternatively, you can spread the chocolate out onto a parchment-lined tray to make a bark and cut however you like. For a thinner, crispier texture, spread it out more. For more uniform bars without using the molds, use a parchment-lined loaf pan. Let your bars set at room temperature if tempered. They should set up in about 3 to 5 minutes. Or pop them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or so. Once they're fully set, remove them from the molds or cut the bark into pieces. So there you have it, healthy Crunch Bars. These are so good. I hope you try them and enjoy them. Let me know in the comments below when you do. Would love to know, what are your favorite candy bars? I might remake them healthier. And don't forget to check out some more of my healthier candy bar recipes. I'll link to those up here and here. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.